Okay, so now let's look at rounding numbers using significant figures, because oftentimes your calculator is going to give you more digits than necessary. So when I put like 5 over 9, it's going to be like crazy numbers like 0.55555 forever. And I want to make sure my calculations or measurements are simple and easy to read. So we will round up and down based on a fixed amount of significant figures, numbers I actually care about for my precision. So let's look at this. Let's round 3.515014 to 566. Okay, and then when I round stuff up, I want to round the stuff up nearest to the whole number and the numbers to the left of the decimal right here. So I'm going to always start from the left, and I'm going to keep this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. That's 5 significant digits. But then this number right here, I need to check whether it's less than 5, right? If it's less than 5, then this last digit will stay the same. If it's greater than 5, it's going to increase the last digit by 1. So because this 1 is less than 5, this 0 is going to stay the same. So my answer will be 3.150. Okay, that will be my answer. Okay, so let's look at this one. I'm going to round it this same number to now 3 significant figures. So once again, I'm going to start with the nearest whole number. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I look at this number right next to the last digit, significant figure digit, and it's 5. So since it is a number that is 5 or greater, I'm going to move this up plus 1, okay? Because any number that is greater than 5 is going to round up the next number by 1. So I should get 3.52, okay? And now let's round 3.52 to 1 significant figure. So I'm only going to look at this 3 right here from the left, and this is a number bigger than, this is 5, right? 5 or larger is going to move up the next digit plus 1. So therefore, my answer should be 4. Alright, so let's say, what happens, Mr. Tran, if I have a number that doesn't have a decimal at the end, and it's telling me I need to round up to 2 significant figures, right? What's going on here? So what you're going to do is, once again, you're only going to keep this digits to the furthest left. So I'm going to make sure I only keep 3,000 and then the 400, and then these numbers are going to be considered less significant. So if I round this up, right, this is a number less than 5, so that means I am not going to move this next digit up by 1. So my answer is actually going to be 3,400. Okay. So I only am going to specify the thousands and the hundreds, right? Not the tenths and ones, all right? Because those are less significant compared to my larger numbers. Okay, so let's look at these. I want you to round all these numbers to 4 significant figures. So once again, remember, you want to start, okay, you want to start from the furthest, okay, the furthest left. Okay, and then you're gonna, any number that is less than 5 is not going to round up the last digit, and any number greater than 5 is going to round up the last digit. So why don't you try that?